Good day to all of you. Today we are in C programming series lesson number 4. In previous sessions we have completed escape sequences new line character, that is /n, horizontal tab space, that is /t, and vertical tab space, that is /v. In today's video we shall see /b, that is backspace escape sequence, then /0 null character. First we shall take /b, that is backspace. We'll type here /b. So after any modification, press Ctrl S on the keyboard button to save the changes, then execute, compile, execute, run. So here we have the output /b, what it does. So because this is output statement, as already mentioned, it prints whatever is within double quotes on the monitor. First, hello should be printed, HELLO, HELL, O is missing here. This backspace escape sequence deletes previous one character. So O is deleted, hence O is not printed. Then after backspace, what is coming here? W. So W is there, then ORLD exclamatory sign. Okay. Now we shall give one more /b here. Backspace escape sequence character. Control S, save the changes, execute, compile, execute, run. Now if you see to the output, so HEL is printed, LO is missing, means two backspaces, it will delete previous two characters. So HEL only is printed. Then after two backspaces, what is coming here? W is coming, so W is printed, then ORLD exclamatory sign. That is how the /b, that backspace escape sequence character, can be used in printf statement for formatting the output. Okay. So next we shall see to use of null character. So now we will remove this backspace character. Null character means here escape sequence, that is /0. So we have typed it. To save the changes, press Ctrl S button on the keyboard, then execute, compile, execute, run. Here we have the output. So what is being printed here? HELLO is printed. Afterwards, whatever is coming, that is not printed. This null character marks the end of this string, this group of characters. Okay. Only till null character, whatever group of characters are coming, they are printed. Afterwards, whatever comes, that doesn't get printed. Means null character marks the end of this string. Okay. So for escape sequences /n, /t, /v, /b and /0, new line, horizontal tab space, vertical tab space, backspace and null character. They were creating actions at the output while printing. Now here onwards, what escape sequence characters we see? They are used to print some special characters at the output which in normal way cannot be printed. So the first one, double slash, we shall take. So double slash, this escape sequence we will type here. Control S to save the changes, execute, compile, execute, run. Now you can see the output. After hello, what is printed here? Single slash is printed. Means to print a single slash at the output, we have to use this escape sequence. That is double slash. Escape sequence characters start from single slash. This slash with another slash is used to print the single slash at the output. Otherwise, single slash cannot be printed. So that we shall check here. We'll remove this. Now what we have done here? Hello single slash WORLD exclamatory sign. According to definition of output function printf, what should happen? Whatever is within double quotes, it should be printed as it is on the monitor. So Control S to save the changes, execute, compile, execute, run. Now if you see, hello is printed, but this single slash is not printed. To print single slash, we have to use this escape sequence. So precede this special character slash with another slash. Now this is one escape sequence character, that is this one. So Control S to save the changes, execute, compile, execute, run. Now you can see that single slash is printed. So this escape sequence character is used to print single slash. Similarly, these we shall see now with single quotes. The first one is with single quotes. So slash single quotes. So now what is printed? Slash single quotes if you give, we can print single quotes at the output. Suppose if you give double quotes here, slash double quotes is given here. Control S to save the changes, execute, compile, execute, run. Now what is printed here? After hello, double quotes is printed. To print double quotes, we have to proceed it with slash double quotes. So this is one escape sequence character which is used to print double quotes. This is for single quotes. This is used for single slash. Now we shall see this slash question mark. So we will type here slash question mark. Okay. So we'll type slash question mark. After that, Control S to save the changes. Execute, compile, execute, run. Now you can see at the output, question mark is printed. The interesting thing here, even without slash, if you try. So save the changes and compile, then run. Question mark is printed. Actually, it should not be printed. It happens so. It used to happen in old compilers. Okay, now compilers are a little bit advanced now. They can print. So referring to old compilers, the slash question mark is also one of the escape sequence characters which is used to print question mark at the output. Okay. Now till here so far whatever we covered, what we can recall, slash n, slash t, slash v, slash b, slash 0. These are used to produce some actions on the output side. Slash, slash, slash single quote, slash double quote, slash question mark. These are used to print some special characters like single slash, single quote, double quotes and question mark at the output side. Okay. Next we shall see to this carriage return and form field escape sequences. So we'll type this carriage return escape sequence slash R. Save the changes. For that, Control S key on the keyboard you press, then execute, compile, execute, run. Now you see what is happening. We had given hello slash R word exclamatory sign for printing. But what it is printed? World is printed. So actually what it does, this carriage return, hello will be printed. Carriage return means it will send the control or cursor to start. Means hello is printed, then it will send the cursor or control to again start of the line. Then what comes next? Word exclamatory sign, that is what is printed. So it sends the control to the start of that line, that is what is carriage return. So this way we cannot understand, we will make this as some big line. So several PPP we will give here. Now it is big. Control S, execute, compile, execute, run. Now you observe the output carefully. So what is printed here? So this should have been printed. So this will be printed. Then carriage return means control will go back to first place. Then world exclamatory sign, WORLD exclamatory sign. Previously what hello PPP was printed. So after leaving this 6 characters, whatever was there, that will be as it is. So how we can conclude about this? Carriage return takes the control back to start in that line and prints whatever message is given after that. So what will be the output here? First hello PPP all will be printed. Then carriage return is coming, so it will go back. Then what message is there? World exclamatory sign, that will be printed. It occupies 6 characters here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are gone. Remaining PP are as it is. Okay. Now if you give here several QQ, we will give Control S. execute, compile, execute, run. You can understand better now. See here, hello, pp, everything will be printed. Then slash r means control will go back. Then word exclamatory sign. Then how many queues are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 queues. So 6 queues. So remaining previous piece will be as it is. So what it had done? It had printed all this because carriage return. It will go back. Then what message is here? It will be overwriting the previous. But remaining will be as it is from previous. Okay. That is all about this carriage return. Okay. Next we shall see to this form field character, that escape sequence. So now slash r instead of that we will make it slash f. Save it, Control S button you press on the keyboard, execute, compile, then execute, run. So now what is happening here? So this hello ppp is printed as it is because slash f, it shifts the control to next line, then vertically down. So actually effect we cannot see here. When multiple pages of printing are there, this form field character will send the control to start of next page. So this is from first page, this will be from next page. When several pages of content is there for printing, then we can understand this slash f shifts the control to next page of printing. Okay, so that is what is slash f. So till here we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 escape sequence characters. Remaining 4 we shall see next. Okay. So we shall see the next escape sequence character, that is alarm escape sequence character. So that is slash a. So we shall take here the same hello world exclamatory sign. Then in between, instead of space or new line or any other escape sequence character, we give alarm escape sequence character. So this alarm or alert or bell escape sequence character, now we have typed here. Control S to save the changes. Then execute, compile, execute. Now you observe carefully. Run. So what is happening here? Hello world. So we had given alarm bell there, right? We will increase the volume here. Once again we shall run. Execute, compile, execute, run. That sound alarm or alert bell sound is because of this slash a. Okay. So that is what is slash a. We shall remove this and see now. We'll remove this. We'll delete this. Save this. Control S. Execute, compile, execute and run. Now output is printed hello world exclamatory sign. That continuous one, no space, nothing here. But there is no sound. So we will add slash a, that alarm escape sequence or alert or bell escape sequence. Control S, execute, compile, then execute and run, and you listen properly. See that. So that sound you could hear. That is what is slash a escape sequence. Okay. So after this escape sequence character, that is slash a alarm or bell escape sequence, we shall see to next slash triple n. So slash triple n means here slash we will type, after that n 3 octal digits we have to give. So for that what we shall give? 101. So what does it indicate? In octal, this is 8 to the power of 0 means 1, 1 into 1, that is 1. Here 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Here 8 to the power 2 means 8 8s are 64 into 1. 64 plus this one 65. So 65 we have written in octal after slash. So that is ASCII value of capital letter A. So when we specify like this in printf function, so control S, save the changes, execute, compile and execute, run and see what will be printed. So here hello is printed as it is. Next, when this escape sequence comes corresponding to this slash triple n, that is slash 101, these three digits in octal when we have given, which is the ASCII value of capital letter A, that A is printed. Instead of specifying directly capital letter A here, its ASCII value is given in octal form with three digits after slash. So that helps to print capital letter A at output. Next word exclamatory sign as it is. Because of the slash 101, which is from the form slash triple n escape sequence character, we have capital letter A being printed at the output. So that is what is this escape sequence character slash triple n. These triple n being three digits in octal form. Okay. Now what we shall do, 101, that we shall make 102. So it was 64, now it is 65 in octal. This is ASCII value of capital letter B. So control S, execute, compile and execute and run. So you can observe here after hello, capital letter B is printed. That is because of slash 102, where 102 is 66 in octal form. So 66 is the ASCII value of capital letter B. Okay. So next we shall see this slash XHH, right? So X stands for hex value. Then two digits of hex we have to give. Hex digits are 0 to 9, then capital letter A to F. A means it is 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, E means 14, F means 15. What we shall do now here, slash X to indicate that it is hex. Then two digits of hex means what we shall give, 4 1. 4 1 means here 16 raised to 0, that is 1 into 1 1. Next place is 16 raised to 1, that is 16 into 4 is 64 plus 1 65. So the same ASCII value of capital letter A is given here in hex. So slash X41. This is from the form slash XHH escape sequence character. We shall save this, execute, compile, execute, run. Now you see here after hello what is printed? A. So now instead of 4 1 we shall do this 4 2. Press the Ctrl S button on the keyboard to save. Next execute, compile, execute, run. So now what is printed here after hello? So B is printed, capital letter B. That is because of this escape sequence character slash X. ASCII value of capital letter B is given in the form of hex. That is what is HH is indicated here. X stands for hex number system. HH stand for two digits of hex we can give. Okay. So that is all about this escape sequence character slash XHH. The last one we shall see to this. Okay. So next we shall see to the last escape sequence character. It is UCN escape sequence character. That is universal character name escape sequence character it is. Or universal character name escape sequence it is. So the character which is not there in ASCII list of characters, so which belong to other languages, to print those characters this escape sequence is used. For example, we can see here what we have to give, slash, then U, then for example 03A9. So Control S, execute, compile, execute, run. So this, if you see to the output here, after hello, because of this escape sequence, so some special character is printed here, which is not there in ASCII set of characters. So When we want to print characters belonging to some other languages, when we think of some global applications, when we think globally with respect to other languages, to print some special characters from other languages, when we think globally, this slash u h h h h. So this UCN, universal character name escape sequence, is used. Okay. So with that we come to the end of the discussion of all the escape sequences. There are 15 escape sequences in C language that we have seen. Okay. I hope you understood. Next I'll take you to exercise that you'll have to do on your own. So by doing exercises and by lot of practice, we can learn better any programming language. So let us go to exercise. So this exercise you can take, generate the following outputs. So this is 17th question. Till 16th we had in last exercise. Numbering will be continued here. So print. So on the monitor what we have to print here, how are you? Question mark. Then 18th is in C comma. So this message must be printed. 19th. So these three I will do and show. 22, 23 and 24 you can try. So first we shall try this. We have to print how are you on the screen. So we'll go to Dev C++. Here hello space we want, that is why we shall leave not hello. So we'll take how are, then you question mark. Control S to save, execute, compile, execute, run. Okay. So how are you is printed on the monitor. If a compiler is what, only here we will have to add slash question mark. That escape sequence is to be used to print question mark. Okay. That is first question. That is with respect to application of this escape sequence. That is slash question mark. We shall go to next question. So the next question, that is 18th one. Print on the monitor or at the output in C, comma, within single quotes A is different from within double quotes A. Okay. So we shall do this. So what is the message here? First in space C, comma, this is what we want. Then space we want. Single quotes A. So after that is different from double quotes A. So we shall leave some space here. So now what we expect on the output to be printed in C comma space within single quotes A is different from within double quotes this A. So control S to save, execute, compile. So it is an error. We cannot do this way. So what correction we have to do here? So here what error message is printed? Expected this close parenthesis before A. So close parenthesis means double quotes we cannot give. But we want to print this double quotes here. What is that we have to print? Within single quotes A, within double quotes A. So we have already learned that part. So if you want this single quote, precede it with slash. If you want this, precede it with slash. Now we can have within single quotes A. Similarly, double quotes if you want, precede it with slash. Here also if you want. So we are using these escape sequences, that is slash single quotes slash double quotes to print single quotes and double quotes. Control S to save, execute, compile, execute, run. See now there is no error. In C, comma, space within single quotes A is different from within double quotes A. So this program is the application of these two escape sequences, that is slash single quotes and slash double quotes. Okay. So we shall see to next question. Print my programs are in E colon slash my underscore C underscore programs. This is the path where I have saved my programs in E drive. In which folder? My underscore C underscore programs. Now we have to get this print at the output. Okay, through C program. So here within double quotes we have to give the message what we want. My C programs are at so E drive this one colon then slash so in E drive which folder my underscore C underscore programs. My programs are in. Now we have typed the message within double quotes. We hope it to be printed at the output. Control S to save, execute, compile, execute, run. Now you see that slash is not printed here. Everything else is printed. My C programs are in. So this slash if you want, according to this, you have to proceed with one more slash. Then control S, execute, compile, execute, run. So now you can see here my C programs as it is are in then E colon because we wanted to print single slash one more slash we have to give. We had given that is why single slash is printed. We are using this escape sequence to print a single slash at output. Whatever other message is as it is. Okay. So this program is application of this escape sequence character that is double slash. Okay. You see two other questions here in the exercise that is question number 22, 23, 24. You please do this. Try these examples to implement in C and try to get this output. So this line output and this line output and these lines output. So several printf we have to write here with new line. Then what all is needed to print the message that you can use. But 23 you should get this line as it is on the screen. You see. Take these three as some small challenges. Please implement them in C. Execute your program and try to get these answers. That ends the whole discussion on escape sequence characters. We have seen to some exercise problems and some exercise problems are given to you for implementation. Sincerely, you invest your time, dedication and work. Any programming language can be learned only by doing. Only more and more practice can give better grip over the programming language. If you have any queries, put them into comment box so that I can reply. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.